Good morning, my dear students. So, in the previous video, they discussed about the chapter 6 triangle exercise 6.2. The question number 3 and 4 should be completed the previous video. Now, in this video, we will discuss about same exercise 6.2, the question number 5 and 6. Is clear? So, my dear students, if you have not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe my channel and to click the bell icon for regular updates of my channel videos. Yes, clear? So now you see the question number 5. See question number 5 in a figure. So in a figure, DE parallel to OQ. DE is clear. DE is parallel to OQ. This is for DE parallel to OQ. Next, EF, DF is parallel to OR. DF is clear. DF is parallel to OR. Is clear. DF parallel to OR. Already DE is parallel to OQ. As a given two conditions are given. That's clear. So you can prove that EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. So same way the exercise 6.2 question number 3 and 4 using the PPT theorem. So now you question number 5 and 6 using converse of the PPT theorem. Okay, because of EF parallel to QR you could prove. So you know the converse of the PPT, the corresponding sides are same ratio, then the two sides are parallel. Okay, this is the meaning of converse of the PPT theorem. So now you will come to the converse of the PPT theorem using the, I will prove it. So first I will prove that, okay, what is the parallel? DE parallel to OQ. It's clear, DE parallel to OQ. So I will choose in a triangle. So I will prove in a triangle BOQ. Is clear? In a triangle BOQ. BOQ. Is clear? In a triangle BOQ and ED is parallel to OQ. And ED is parallel to OQ. ED is parallel to OQ. ED is parallel to OQ. So now just think about ED parallel to OQ by using PPT theorem. Is clear? By PPT theorem, basic probabilities theorem. So the two lines ED and OQ should be parallel. So the corresponding sides are same ratio. What is the meaning? BD is clear. BD by DO is equal to, what's the meaning? BE by EQ. Is clear? You got to assume that equation 1. Similarly, what are the parallel? Again, DF parallel to OQ. Is clear? So again in a triangle BOR and DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. So what are conclusions? DF parallel to OR means, just to tell them, same by PPT theorem. By PPT theorem, basic probabilities theorem concept. So now you will see that what a conclusion, BD by DO is equal to BF by FR. BF by FR. It's clear? You assume that from 2. So now you see the from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. It's clear? From 1 and 2. So left hand sides are equal. So right hand side automatically equal. What's the meaning? BE by EQ is equal to BF by FR. Is clear? Now you see that. Is clear? BE by EQ. BE by EQ. Next BF by FR. Is clear? Equal. But what's the meaning? The corresponding two sides are same ratio. Is clear? The corresponding sides are same ratio. Okay, the corresponding sides are same ratio means by using the PPT theorem, converse of a PPT theorem, therefore EF parallel to OR. Is clear? So converse of the PPT theorem, what's the conclusion? The corresponding sides are same ratio means and the two lines are parallel. So now I will prove that BE by EQ, next BF by FR. Okay, the two sides are corresponding sides are same ratio. I will prove. What a conclusion? By converse of the PPT theorem, by converse conversely, okay, converse, okay, converse of Okay, by converse of the PPT theorem. Okay, by converse of PPT theorem. So what a conclusion? EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR by converse of the PPT theorem. It's clear? EF parallel to QR. Okay. The question number 5. Understand? The question number 6. In a figure, A, B, C are the points on in a figure. So A, B, C are the points of OB. It's clear? The center point should be O. Here OB and OQ and OR. It's clear? OB on the sides point A, OQ is equal to point B, OR the side of C respectively. It's clear? Show that AB is parallel to BQ. So what are the values of parallel? AB is clear? AB is parallel to BQ. So AB parallel to BQ. Next AC. Here AC parallel to BR. These two sides are parallel. About what a conclusion you can prove that BC parallel to QR. It's clear? BC parallel to QR. Same way I am using converse of the PPT theorem converse. You can prove that BC parallel to QR. It's clear? Okay. First, what are the parallel? AB parallel to BQ. It's clear? So I will choose a triangle BOQ. It's clear? Three side based on triangle BOQ and AB parallel to BQ. It's clear? So I will choose in a triangle. It's clear? In a triangle BOR. It's clear? What are the sides are parallel? AB parallel to BQ. It's clear? And AB parallel to BQ. It's clear? AB parallel to BQ. Okay. So AB parallel to BQ. No? Same way using two lines are parallel mean by using what's the meaning? BPT theorem, basic properties theorem. What a conclusion? In a triangle BOQ, it's clear? AB and BQ are parallel means what a conclusion? OA by AB. Here OA by AB is equal to again OB by BQ. Equal to OB by BQ. It's clear? OB by BQ. These two lines are parallel. So assume that the equation 1. It's clear? Similarly, same way in a triangle BOR. Same way in a triangle BOR and AC parallel to BR. And AC parallel to BR. It's clear? AC parallel to BR. So using same way PPT theorem also. So OA by basic property theorem. So OA by AB is clear? OA by AB is equal to OC by CR. Is clear? As in that equation 2. So now what is your conclusion from 1 and 2? The left hand sides are equal, so automatically right hand sides are equal. But here our conclusion 1 and 2. Here what's the meaning? OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Is clear? Just you see the diagram. OB, what's the meaning? OB by BQ. Next OC by CR. That's a equal. Is clear? So in a triangle, okay. So in a triangle OQR. Is clear? In a triangle OQR, these corresponding sides are same ratio. Is clear? But what is the meaning? The two lines are parallel using converse of the PPT theorem. Is clear? So the corresponding sides are same ratio means by converse of PPT theorem. Converse of BPT theorem. Is clear? Converse of the PPT theorem. The corresponding sides are same ratio. Therefore, the two lines are parallel. Is clear? The two lines are parallel. What is the conclusion? BC parallel to QR. Is clear? BC parallel to QR. This is a concept. Is clear? Understand, my children? Is clear? Next, in this video, they discussed about the question number 5 and 6 would be completed. So next video, you can watch the question number 7 and 8. Thank you, my